Assalamualaikum. Today the topic of discussion is gaseous exchange in the plants. That how gases are exchanged inside the plants and the environment. So we have discussed in previous topic about the photosynthesis as well as respiration. Equations are written over here. Water and carbon dioxide combine and form glucose and release large amount of oxygen. While as a result of respiration, carbon dioxide is released. So this carbon dioxide is used by the plants for photosynthesis and this oxygen is used by the plants during respiration. They will use regularly carbon dioxide and oxygen for respiration and photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in the green part of the plant which is called leaf by means of the chlorophyll. While respiration is the oxidation of glucose, breakdown of glucose in simpler components. And smaller compounds are water and carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is used by the plants during photosynthesis, while as a result of photosynthesis oxygen is released. This oxygen is taken by the plants during respiration to oxidize food. During night only respiration takes place. No photosynthesis occur at night time. Photosynthesis only occur at daytime in the presence of sunlight. When sun will present, photosynthesis will take place only at daytime because sunlight is required for photosynthesis of the food. So there is no photosynthesis at night time. Then trees will only produce carbon dioxide. During the night time, photosynthesis will stop because it only occur at daytime. No photosynthesis will take place at night time. Only plants will respire at night. So they will produce only carbon dioxide. They will take the oxygen from the environment and produce carbon dioxide. So we need to avoid to sit under the trees at night times. This is the old myths of the peoples. Like they say, there is some creatures hanging or sitting under the trees, so don't go towards the trees at night. The real truth, the real thing is that plants only respire at night. They don't go to the photosynthesis at night time because of the absence of sunlight. So they produce more amount of the carbon dioxide. So we need to stay away from the trees at night. Plants gaseous exchange take place between the body and the environment through surfaces. This surface is called outermost covering, which is present in the root, stem and leaves. It is called epidermis. Epidermis is what? Epidermis is outermost covering of the leaf, root and stem. This epidermis is present on the outer side of the trees. This layer allows the movement of the gases between the inner cells and the environment. In some part of the plants, a thick cuticle is also present, which allow the exchange of gases. In leaves and young stem, stomata are present. Stomata are what? Small pores which are present inside the leaves. They open and close and allow the exchange of gases.